As you prepare to take the ACCUPLACER test for the first time, or perhaps as a retest, there are several important concerns we want to address with you. It is possible that you may use another measure such as high school GPA or scores from another test such as ACT for placement, so please confirm with a Gateway staff member whether you are even required to take ACCUPLACER. Scores from the ACCUPLACER test help to determine that you are placed into an appropriate level for various courses, including math, English, and other courses which have an English requirement. The ACCUPLACER test includes tests in two areas, writing and math. WritePlacer is a test which requires a student to write an essay in response to a prompt. It is administered as a timed test for 60 minutes. The WritePlacer test determines whether you are eligible for placement into Composition 1 and other courses which have an English prerequisite. In the math test, you will be asked to solve various types of math problems. There are 20 math problems on the QAS test. This untimed test determines whether you will be eligible for placement into a credit-level math course such as college algebra, statistics, or pre-calculus. If you score well enough on the QAS test, you may be routed up to the AAF test, which also has 20 math problems. The AAF test, also untimed, determines whether you will be eligible for placement into the calculus math course. And this is the only reason a person should take this level test. You can use scratch paper and a pencil, and the calculator on the computer. On some math questions, a calculator icon will appear to indicate availability of a calculator which can be accessed by clicking on the icon. If you believe you need accommodations, for example, a person with a documented disability, please ask a Gateway staff member for additional information regarding the college's Office for Disability Services. After the test, communicate as soon as possible with a Gateway staff member, since scores for all tests are available immediately. In many cases, students can meet immediately after taking ACCUPLACER to discuss their results and to receive a printed report which summarizes scores and recommended placement. If you think any score you achieved is not an accurate indication of your ability, you may choose to retest a second attempt on a math test and a second attempt on a writing test. ACCUPLACER is intended to measure your current ability. However, appropriate preparation may include refreshing knowledge you already have acquired and becoming familiar with the test structure. We are attempting to meet some of these needs with this video, but we also provide more extensive preparation resources at this link, and we strongly recommend that you use these resources. Appropriate preparation can make the difference for a College Credit Plus student to establish eligibility for enrollment in college courses, and appropriate preparation can save valuable time and money for a non-College Credit Plus student by not having to enroll in pre-college courses.